Hi. So, take it to work on me. I'll show it to you in a minute. Hold on. You're gonna need a square. You're gonna need to like cut this part off. I'm just gonna tear it. It's harder than it looks. Okay. Square. Now, you're gonna take it. Gonna fold it. Make sure it's creased. It's actually important to make sure it's creased. Okay. Gonna open it. And fold it again like this. Now, and take it. You're gonna make sure this part is that way. And you're gonna fold it. That one. And crease again. And then you're gonna do it the other way. And crease again. So, should look like this. Okay. Next, take it. Just kind of push it together. It's a triangle. Okay. Now, we're going to take a corner where it's still fat. Gonna fold it up. You're gonna do the same with this corner. So it should look like this. Okay. Then gonna take this and just gonna fold it over that. Gonna do the same. Then we're gonna take the top. Just gonna fold it down. So it's gonna look like that. Then you're gonna take these little flaps and fold them over. Okay. Then and take it into this little pouch and just tuck it in. Gonna do both sides. I can get it. Okay. It's gonna look like that. Then you are going to flip it. And then just gonna put it like that. And then this time you're just gonna take flap and just bend it down. This is gonna make the ears. Okay. Now, if you folded it correctly, there should be a little hole in the end right there. I don't have very much air, sorry. Abby, get down. My daughter. Sorry. That was my daughter, Abby. Now, if I can get this blown up, show you. She just fell. I'm having troubles. Hopefully, you won't have this kind of trouble. Abby, stop climbing. There it goes. Okay, and just, Abby! She pulled my hair out. Ow. And just, Abby, stop it! Kind of just fold it. Just nitpick it. And then you're going to color it. But I'm not going to color it this way. So, that's how you make a Pikachu origami. Bye!